Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you. That's right. Today I have a luxury scent box. Do you want to see what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this company, Luxury Scent Box, got a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to show their subscription box on my channel to show you guys. And after I looked at their website, I'm like, you know what? It does look really good. And yeah, I would be willing to definitely do that and see what your subscription is all about. So here is my package right here. And let's see what we have. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and dump this stuff. Ooh, I got a lot of goodies in here. I got a lot of goodies. Okay, so that's really neat. They send 2 little bags, like, so you can put them in bags. So there's their logo right there. And that is really neat. I never had bags for the other company that I got, but just saying. Okay, so let me go to their website so I can give you some information. I normally print stuff out that I'm getting, but today I didn't have time, so I went directly to their website. And did you see those colors? It's gonna switch. Watch. Oh, see, there it switched. Hold on, let me get back to it. There we go. Look at all those different colors of the little canisters that you get. Isn't that really cool? I hope I have a teal one in here, but I'm not banking on it because there's a lot of colors there and they don't know my favorite color. So let's go ahead and see. It says, luxurious travel size spray, include your choice of fragrance, approximately 1 month supply, convenient size for traveling or on the go. First month includes a signature reusable case. And it says it's $15 a month with free shipping. One of the largest sizes available in a perfume subscription. That's awesome. And it says it's 0.30 ounce, which is 9 milliliter, approximately 150 sprays if you did 5 sprays a day. Now, let's see here. Explore your scents. Choose from a large selection, 100% authentic, 500 plus designer and niche fragrances. Receive a new reusable case for the season, automatically shipped quarterly. So every quarter that you're actively subscribed to the company, they'll send you a new case to put the perfume in. Discover the fragrance you've been searching for. Luxury Scent Box Club. Find that perfect scent now. Get started, $15 a month. How it works. Certified fragrance specialist matching you with the perfect scent. Take a short survey to receive fragrances recommendations personally selected for you. So that's cool. They'll have a survey that you'll fill out when you subscribe, and then they'll kind of know what scents and what notes you do like, so they know what to send you, which that is awesome. Then you get to choose your fragrance monthly by selecting new scents to your calendar. Receive a luxurious travel size spray with your choice of fragrance as a part of your monthly consolation. First month includes a signature reusable case. And then again, I guess every quarter that you're still actively subscribed, they'll send you another one. So that is awesome. So I will go ahead and link them down below so you can check out their site, but everything is on here that you can see and you can check them out. So $15 a month, free shipping, already sounds amazing. And it's supposed to be the biggest or one of the biggest fragrances on this type of a subscription scale. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So here is a card. It says, welcome to the LUXSB, the luxurious scent box. And thank you for becoming a member, matching you with the perfect scent, one fragrance at a time. That's cute. Sending and sharing our passion for scents from California. And I love that they are from California because I am a California girl currently living in a Florida world. So I really, really love the fact that they are in California because I love representing my home state, where I'm from, born and raised. So this says, love life with perfume. How to use your, okay, so it tells you how to use them, but it's probably the same as the other one that I got. So I kind of figured that one out the last time. So let's see what we have. So they come in these little boxes, which that is super cute because they are protected. And let's see what it is. Ooh, okay, so I got a green. There's like a hunter green on top. It has their logo on it, and then the bottom is all black, and then you twist, and then you get the sprayer right there, and then to remove it is like that. And this does look bigger. I looked at their website and I saw that they said that they were bigger than the other competitors. So I grabbed, this is one from another company that I got last year, and I really like this color. Well, it's like a rose gold pinkish color. It's cute. Teal is my favorite color though. But let me go ahead and open this one up and see so we can compare the sizes. Of course, mine's empty. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow. There is a big difference in that. Look at that. So this is the one that I got from a competitor, and this is theirs. So you can definitely see they are bigger. If I hold them side by side, let me do them this way so you can see. See, that is definitely bigger. So you definitely get more sprays, and this is going to last longer because it is a bigger vial than the competitor. So that is true. I just was able to prove that one. So let me see while I have this out. This says it's vanilla, blackberry. I'm not quite sure. There is the scent for this one. Let's go ahead and put it back in the container. Oh, and they have their logo right on the top too, on the top of the sprayer. So let's see here. Ooh, that smells good. This would be really good in the fall. I'm smelling like some woodsy, piney type notes that I'm picking up in there. This would be really, really good for fall. I mean, it's good anytime, but that's what it's reminding me of. So then I have 4 here. So let's go ahead and see what these other ones are. Oh, this one is just a silver top with a black bottom. And let's see which scent is in here. Shea and Blue Watermelons. Ooh, watermelon? Oh, watermelon? You had me at watermelon. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that smells good. And I am picking up some watermelon. But it's not like it's just like a fruity, like where you're wearing like a body mist. No, that perfume smells so good. Ooh, that smells really good. So let's get into the other one. Okay, so here's another one that's silver. And this one is Pio di Pici. I have no clue. Kikyo. I'm not sure. I'm very bad with names. I don't know if you can see what that is right there. But let me go a little higher on my arm now where I haven't sprayed. Okay, that does smell good. That smells nice. Yeah, that does smell nice. I like that. That does smell good. Okay, that smells really good. Now, let's see here. And then we have another green one. And this is Bright Crystal by Versace. Ooh, Versace. There's that. So now let me spray this one up over here. Didn't miss my... Ooh. Oh my goodness, that smells... Ooh, that smells good. So my favorites are gonna be this one and the one that says the watermelon. The other two, they all 4 smell really good, but of course everybody has their own senses and what you think smells better on you versus others, because we all have our own. Oh my gosh, this Versace one. Have you guys tried any of these before? This smells amazing. This and the watermelon one. Ooh, I am loving. Oh, and then you can keep it down inside of here if you wanted. You can toss it in your purse or do whatever. You can put these in your gym bag. You can keep these in your desk drawer. You can put them in your book bag. You can put them in your purse, leave them in your car. You can put these anywhere because they're small, and these are also good to put on the airplane because you can't take full-size bottles because they're over you know. So these are amazing for travel or for anything. So, and this is an amazing way to try out new perfumes without having the huge price tag, because a lot of perfumes nowadays, the good ones, you're looking between $80 to $150 just for a small normal size bottle of perfume, which that is outrageous. So at least with these, you get to try out new things. You can see which ones you like, and then the scents that you do like, then you can hang on to them. You'll know what it's called, and then you can always put it on your Christmas wish list or your birthday wish list, or I want to spoil myself list, and then you'll know which ones to actually purchase and spend the money on. Because I really, really hate buying a full big bottle and it not smelling good, and you just feel like you wasted money, and now that bottle looks cute, but it's not going anywhere because you're not using it because it doesn't smell good. And that's happened on quite a few things. That's why I really like going to stores where I can smell them out, but everybody else has been touching them, and sometimes they're all gone. The tester's sitting there with nothing in it to test. So this is really cool that you get to do a profile and they'll match your notes accordingly, and you get to choose the ones that you want. You have a good full size. I will link their information down below. You can go check out their website. Again, they come from California, which I appreciate because I like supporting my home state. And I really like this. See that first one that I smelled and I was like, this kind of smells like a little like woodsy, like the cashmere woodsy, like that kind of vibe is what I was picking up from those notes. But yeah, so thank you so much for sending me this and wanting me to review this on my channel. You guys, again, I will link them down below. You can go check them out. I think this is amazing, and we can definitely say 100% they are bigger than their competitor. All around, you get more sprays and it'll last you a little bit longer than the other ones. So yeah, in your very first order, you will get one of these. I don't know, again, if you get to choose the colors, but there are so many different colors. I really wish I got a teal one, but I was sent these for review, so I can't be picky. Thank you so much for sending me these. These are amazing. Now I have 4 wonderful scents that I can switch out, and yeah, I love this. So yeah, again, they will be linked down below. Comment down below, let me know, have you heard of this company? Do you get a perfume subscription already? They do cologne too, so this isn't just for women. Even if you wanted to surprise your man, you can do the cologne one, and he can have some different colognes to try out and smell good for you as well. So comment down below, let me know, have you heard of any of these perfumes that I just tried out? Have you heard of this company? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys, and you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!